welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another stock blaster review. So this is one from the Pro Series. This is the XShot Pro Longshot. So this is a pump action, full length and half length dart compatible bullpup blaster. I'm really excited for this, so let's get right into it. First thing we gotta do is get this out of the box. Alright, now that everything's out of the box, let's do a quick rundown of what you actually get with this blaster. So, of course, in box is the blaster. Has an adjustable stock that you can adjust by pressing this pink button down on the bottom. Right here is the mag release. Here's a see-through plunger tube, which is kind of neat. You don't see that very often. Large top rail up here with 2 iron sights. And then down here we have the safety right here. It's this orange switch, and it will lock the trigger. Here's the foregrip down here that you use to prime the blaster. Lastly, up here is the muzzle. You get a 15-round standard length magazine, a 15-round half-length magazine, and a full-length mag weld, a half-length mag adapter. And you also get 20 half-length and 20 full-length darts, which it's a pretty good deal if you ask me. So, in closing, I think that this blaster, at its current price point, is definitely a great deal, because not only is this blaster jam-packed with features, but I also think that this alone is worth the $40, and you also get a bunch of nice darts, some magazines, and an adapter. Now, if you're looking for a new blaster to add to your foam flinging arsenal, I would definitely consider the XShot Pro Longshot. Now, I also plan on doing some modding on this blaster in the future, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see a video like that. I hope you liked this video or found it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.